Hi everyone, this is the final class for this master class for this month, right? The this class will be the final one, and I will introduce you to what we call loan. The same way you can collect loan in the bank, you can also collect loan from Binance, right? Without having any credit score. Whether you have a good credit score or not, you can always get loan on Binance, right? But the question I keep getting every day is that some people want to know whether they can get a loan without a collateral, right? See, it is yes, everything is possible. Yes, I have seen some platforms saying that yes, they can give you loans without collateral. But one thing is that at the end of the day, it turns out that most of those loan platforms are actually scammers. In fact, they scam you your hard-earned money, right? They scam you your money, right? Or most of the time, if they don't scam you your money, they give you those loans, right? With an outrageous interest rate, right? You see them charging you almost 80% interest rate. So that is why I always advise you to use a platform like Binance, right? That can give you loan as many as no matter the kind of loan you want, they can always give it to you. And one good thing about Binance Loan is that you can use it anywhere. So you can even decide to withdraw it. Maybe you borrow 1 million naira now. You can decide to withdraw it and use it for your business. When you are through, you return it. You can decide to use it to trade. You can use it to do futures trading. You can use it to do anything on Binance or outside Binance. They don't just restrict you to use it only on Binance. As I told you, you can withdraw it to your local bank account and use it for what you want to use it for, right? But one thing you also be careful of is that there is TV, like there is a minimum operating balance. So for example, if you use a collateral and the collateral starts falling and falling and gets to a particular level, right? You can They can sell off that your collateral to cover the loan that you've collected, right? So this is the risk involved. Most times, when the coin you use as a collateral starts falling and falls to some certain level, they will likely take your money they will likely sell off that your collateral to cover up for the expenses. So how can you get loan? Let me show you in very simple step, right? Just open your Binance account, click on more, right? When you click on more, it will load for some time. Let's wait for it to load a bit. All right. So as soon as you click on that more, right? Scroll down a bit, right? Click on finance. As you will see crypto loan. Here is crypto loan. This is where you will borrow from. Click on crypto loan. When you click on it, you will now you click on start borrowing, right? Start borrowing. Okay? So you can borrow BUSD, you can borrow any coin, but I always advise people to borrow a stable coin. So let's say, for example, I want to borrow dollar. I want to borrow $1,000 only, right? I want to borrow $1,000. All I need to do is to click on this amount and type in how much that I want to borrow. $1,000. That's more than 600,000 naira, right? More than 600,000 naira. So they are telling me that for me to borrow $1,000, that I will need to have, about 5 BNB in my wallet. So I need to use 5 BNB as a collateral, right? So you can always use the coin that you have in your spot wallet as a collateral. If you don't have BNB, but you can change the BNB, right? When you can use your ADA, you can use Algo, you can use Ape, you can use A star. In fact, there are a lot of coins you can use as a collateral to borrow. But now I have BNB, so I will use 5 BNB, right? Then the next place is you want to specify how many days you want to stay before you return the loan. So the lowest is 7 days. The highest is 180 days. Let's say I want to borrow for 1 month. I can choose 30 days, right? Then at this study, it's now showing me how much I will need to, the interest I will need to bring back. Imagine, look at the interest rate. Is that not awesome? 0.025%. 0.025% as an interest rate. That is great. Imagine even a bank cannot give you such a loan with this kind of low interest rate, right? You see a bank giving you money, they give you, in fact, they lend you money at the rate of most times 10%, 20%. I've seen people give money at 40%, but Binance is giving you this loan at 0.025%. So it means if you borrow 600,000 naira, at the end of 1 month, you will only pay extra. In fact, you only pay extra, I think 10,000 naira only. You borrowed 600k, you can only pay back 10,000 naira extra at the end of the month. That is awesome, right? So you can also choose, remember to choose a flexible day loan term that is good for you. How long do you want to hold that money before you plan to return it? Me, I chose 30 days. Then keep an eye here. It is very, very important at the risk level. They are letting you know that if BNB, because you are using BNB as a collateral, they said if that your BNB drops to, like currently BNB is trading at 311 naira, dollars, right? So they are saying that if BNB drops to $241.5, that they will have to sell your BNB so that they can cover the loan. So when they sell your BNB, you will no longer be required to pay back the loan, right? So all you need to do is to target when you want to borrow. Let it be that it is when the market is a bit stable, right? So you borrow. So they are telling you, remember, look at this number here. It is very important. So it means if BNB falls to 241.5, they will take down your 5 BNB. So that's it. So as soon as you go through it and you accept it, you read through the terms and conditions here. As soon as you also read it and understand and you accept it, you click on I have read and accept. So you click on this sticker, then click on confirm. Very easy. They will give you this loan now and hold your BNB, right? And one good thing is at some point you can decide to use this $1,000. This 600 and something thousand naira to do anything, virtually anything you want to use it to do. As I told you before, you can use it now to go and trade, on spot, right? You can still use this same money, 1,600 and something thousand naira, to trade on future, to even stake, to even withdraw. You can even use it to withdraw and do physical business and return it within this time frame that you specified, right? It is very important that you try this out. These are one of the features of Binance N that I like so much. In fact, people are enjoying it, and a lot of people, I'm surprised that a lot of people don't know about this. That is why I hosted this class. So go ahead to try it out. Try it out. As soon as you try it, let me know by email or on Telegram, right? As soon as you let me know and I check your user ID and I've seen that you've done it, I will enter you into the raffle draw, where you will have the opportunity to win one out of the 30 NFT that we give out every month, right? Try this out and let me know what you think. You can decide not to borrow only BUSD. You can borrow many coins. You can borrow dollar, you can borrow 1 inch, you can borrow ETH, you can borrow, in fact, a lot. You can borrow a lot of coins, right? So this is great. This is great. But I advise people to borrow a stable coin instead of all other coins, right? So try this out now and let me know what you think. Remember to always stay safe. It is very important. When you know that the market is volatile, it's not advisable that you take a loan, right? You only take loans when you know that the market is a bit stable, and if you use this loan that you've collected, for something that you can easily make extra income. Apart from that, do not borrow money so that you go and use it to do frivolous things. That's why I advise people, don't try that. Do not borrow money and use it to go and flex. Maybe go for party or go and drink, or borrow money so that you can use it to do something important for your life. Right? So, well done and do have a great day. I wish you good luck in the in the NFT challenge. Bye bye.